Hello everyone. Good morning, evening, or afternoon based on wherever you are in the world. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to solve the Redi Cube. The Redi Cube is actually a very easy cube, and there's only one algorithm, or as you would like to say, if you would like to say, sequence of steps that you need to remember. And also please make sure to like and subscribe this video, both the buttons are down below, and also please make sure to share this video with other people that want to know how to solve this cube. So let's get started. So basically the first thing you need to know about the cube is you can't turn entire faces. So if I'm trying to turn, I can't turn this. But the things you can turn are the corners. So for example, if you're looking at it like this, you can turn this entire corner like that. And same with every other corner on this cube. In total there's 8 corners, so there's 8 things you can turn. Unlike the normal 3x3 Rubik's Cube where there's only 6. Okay, so now I've shuffled it so let's get started. The first step you need to do is to find the white corner. Well, there should be 4 white corners, so there's 1, and there's 2, and there's 3 and 4. So once I've found them, that will be the white face. And then you can turn all the corners up, facing up if you want to. Yeah, so this will be the white face. So now what we have to do is get these other 4 pieces in. And they will be somewhere around the cube. The way to get these is, so there's only 2 types of pieces in the cube. One is a corner piece and one is the edge piece. There's no center piece because the edge piece kind of cut into the center. So the edge piece has 2 sides and the corner piece has 3, just like the Rubik's Cube. So we need to find a white edge piece that has white on it and a different color. You need to take note of the different color and move it to wherever that color on the corner is. So this side is the orange side, this side is the orange side, so this corner will need to go right there. What you can just do is you can turn it up there. But then you'll notice this corner has gone to that side. So what we can do is once we have it up there, we can turn this to the side out of the way, and then turn this back turn this corner back up to the correct spot, and move this piece back in. And there you go. The white orange edge piece is correct. Now we need to do the other one. You'll notice that for me, this piece is already solved, so I can just go into the next one, and it's red. So I need to find the red edge piece, which is over here, and I need to just move it up there. Another trick to solving this is when you've got any piece, let's say like on the side here, what you can just do is move it down. Just move it down. And put it in the corner where, below where it's supposed to actually go. And you can turn one of the corners, well, either one. I'm just going to turn this one down so that the red and white are facing down. So, whatever colors you need to put in there are facing down. So, like this, they're facing downwards, and the other colors on top. And then what you can just do is turn this piece so that it's matching with these, so like this. And since you've got these 2 correct, you can just turn this back up. And now we've done 3 sides. We need to do the 4th. And the last edge piece I've seen is over here. So, just wait, but I'm gonna need to move this around to this side. Just keep moving around. So I'll do the same thing like I did before. Since it's at the bottom, I can just twist the white and blue piece edges down and turn this up and put this back in. So now we've solved the entire white face. Once we've done that, the next step is to solve the middle layer once again. And this middle layer doesn't have any center pieces, so we don't need to worry about that and do complex formulas like the 3x3. The simple thing to do is just we look at what color needs to go there. So in this case, it's orange and blue, and we need to find that edge piece, which is right here. And once you've found it, you need to take it to, like, you need to put it down on the one next to it. So, like, in this position on the one next to it, on the corner next to it. And then what we have to do is we have to turn this thing. So we have to turn it to where this orange and blue piece is facing where it is. So to like this side. So it's facing over there. And then we just turn this piece to that so it's correct with the corner. And we turn it back in. And we've done this entire thing. And there's 3 more to go. So, and let's do the next one from here, which is this one. And for this one we need, so ignoring the yellow, we just put that at the top. Let's turn all the yellows to the top, so just so we don't get confused. And so this one is blue and red. So we need to find the blue and red, which is over here. And then what we need to do, since it's already in this kind of area, we just need to turn this face. Well, we could say face because it's kind of a face. Like, so these two are pointing the way that is. And then we can just turn this into that corner. And we turn this back in. And since we have turned this one is out of shape. So this one is not properly aligned, so we just align it again. Align it back. And these two are done. So next we need to do this one, and this one's already done. So I'll just go to the next one. It might not be done for you, you might still need to be doing this. So, and yeah, once you've done that, you go to the green and orange bit, which is right next to it. So once again, we put this down into this side, like down, and we move this to where it's facing the side where it's at, and then we turn it back up, and we fix this side. And this side's not broken, so it's all good. And now we move on to, so we've completed the middle layer, and now what we need to do is the final layer. So for the final layer, it's actually pretty easy. You should have one completely solved, well, 2 I should say, including the white. 2 completely solved sides, and we put the solved side to the back, and we do this kind of formula. So, well, actually, not yet. So there are 2 different ways that this can happen. Either you can do this, so you face the solved side at the back, and you do this formula. You can do, well, okay, so it depends on, there's 2 ways you can do this. One of them is you can put the right corner, turn it down, left corner, turn it down, right corner, turn it up, and left corner, turn it up. That was a case for me. Let me show you the other case. The other way you can do it is instead of starting with the right side down first, you could start with the left side down first. So left side down, left side up, right side up. Now I'll show you which one to use in which case. So if you have the solved, this edge piece, the edge piece at the back should be solved, and you need to notice which other edge piece is solved. If the edge piece that's solved is on the right, then the left side, the left side needs to go down first. So like this, and then up, and then up. But the other case is the solved edge piece could be on the left. If it's on the left, the right side needs to go down first. So it's right side down, right side up, left side up. And that is how you solve the Redi Cube. And please subscribe and like this video if you liked it, and also share it to other people. If whoever needs to solve a Redi Cube, please just share it to them. And yeah, hope you enjoyed. So bye, and thanks for watching.